Welcome to Our Daily Health. Mint. 7 marvelous mint facials for younger looking skin. No one is ready to grow old and have all those wrinkles, sagging, and acne and pimple breakouts and all other symptoms associated with skin aging. Although it is inevitable, you can slow down the process in a number of ways. One of those ways is using mint for your facials. Yes, you heard it right. Mint is not only used to flavor dishes or drinks, but is also a popular ingredient in most beauty and cosmetic products, such as cleansers, moisturizers, toners, body lotions, shampoos, and conditioners. It offers many skincare benefits, one of which is giving you younger looking skin. Facials are an essential skin treatment that leaves your skin soft, clearer, and younger. They can help unclog pores and remove dead skin cells. Mint facials would tighten your skin and give you a flawless and youthful look. In this video, we'll be delving into 7 marvelous mint facials you can start using for younger looking skin. Number 1. Mint and Banana Facial. Banana is rich in potassium and water and would help moisturize and hydrate your skin, giving you nourished and younger looking skin. Banana also contains vitamin A and other antioxidants that would fight free radicals and smoothen your skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of mashed bananas, 10 to 12 mint leaves. Procedure: Number 1. Grind the banana and mint leaves together until a smooth and consistent mixture forms. 2. Apply the mixture to your face. 3. Leave on your face for 15 to 30 minutes. And number 4. Rinse off with cold water. Number 2. Mint and Turmeric Facial. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reverse damages caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. These free radicals are known to damage the skin and cause skin sagging, wrinkling, acne, and dark spots. Combining mint with turmeric may leave your skin glowing and lustrous. Ingredients: mint leaves, turmeric powder. Procedure: 1. Grind a couple of mint leaves and add a few drops of water. Number 2. Add a pinch of turmeric powder. 3. Mix the 2 ingredients well. 4. Apply the mixture to your face and massage lightly. Number 5. Leave it for 15 minutes. Number 6. Rinse off with lukewarm water. This facial will soothe your face, tighten your skin, and give you a flawless look. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 3. Mint, cucumber, and honey facial. Cucumber is a great and nourishing ingredient for the skin. It is packed with anti-inflammatory properties, antioxidants, and many nutrients that make it beneficial for acne-prone skin. Honey has antiseptic and antibacterial properties. It moisturizes the skin, exfoliates, lightens scars and spots. This facial is refreshing and soothing to the skin. Ingredients: 10 to 12 mint leaves, 1/4 of a whole cucumber, 1/2 tablespoon of honey. Procedure: grind the mint leaves, cucumber, and honey until a smooth mixture forms. Number 2. Apply the mixture to your face and leave for about 20 minutes. 3. Rinse off with cold water. Number 4. Mint and clay powder facial. Clay helps absorb oil from the skin and protect you from acne, pimples, and blackheads. It is powerful in cleansing and clearing the skin. This facial mask would help you fight off all signs of skin aging and would give your face a natural facelift. Ingredients: 10 to 12 mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of clay powder, 1 tablespoon of rose water. Procedure: 1. Grind mint leaves, clay powder, and rose water and mix into a smooth paste. 2. Apply the mixture to your face. 3. Leave for up to 20 minutes. 4. Rinse off with cold water. Number 5. Mint and lemon juice. Lemon juice contains vitamin C, which helps boost skin regeneration and healing. It can also help lighten skin and fade scars. Ingredients: 10 to 12 mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Procedure: 1. Grind the mint leaves and add the lemon juice. 2. Mix well and apply the mixture on your face. 3. Leave for 15 minutes. 4. Rinse off with cold water. Number 6. Mint, yogurt, and Fuller's Earth. Fuller's Earth is a clay-like substance that absorbs oil and cleanses the skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps hydrate the skin and give it a glow. Combining the mint and Fuller's Earth would give soft and supple skin. Ingredients: 10 to 12 mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of Fuller's Earth. Procedure: Number 1. Grind the mint leaves and yogurt until you get a smooth paste. 2. Add Fuller's Earth to the mixture. 3. Apply the mixture to your face and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Number 4. Rinse off with cold water. Number 7. Mint and curd facial. This facial mixture promises brighter and clear skin. It removes patchiness and may even tone the skin. Curd is rich in lactic acid, and AHA that can fade scars, fine lines, and skin damages. Ingredients: 10 to 12 mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of curd. Procedure: 1. Grind the mint leaves and curd and mix well. 2. Apply the mixture to your face and massage lightly. 3. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Rinse off with cold water. Mint leaves are sweet-smelling and are loaded with beneficial nutrients and antibacterial properties for your skin health. Mint can help treat pimples, acne, sunburns, and rashes. What mint facial do you use? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.